the beach in Metaponto, looking for talline, a special little clam that's popular here.
It's a very, very hot day in Basilicata, so this is the best place to be. I'm fishing with Enzo. So he drags this net. It has like spikes in the front. He pulls the net just under the sand. That's where these hide. 1, 2, 3. It's like a treasure hunt. Enzo's working hard over here.
Che fatica.
You are? You're tired?
In altre regioni si chiama diversamente, lo smena.
You use your butt.
Oh, yeah.
So let me see. Enzo.
Yeah.
Oh, bellissimo. I lost my talline because I was
talline.
whoa.
To give Enzo a break, I offer to give it a go for a while.
Tieni questo qui
Sì?
e fai, vieni avanti, spostati.
Oh, lavoro.
Work in the water.
Work. It's fun. I don't know if we have anything. Do you see any?
And look it.
There's a rock. Oh, there we go. Let me see.
Oh, una fresca.
Quanti. That's 27. I'm using my math skills today. We're gonna see if we can make this into lunch. Per pranzo. Ciao.
Un bacino.
Sì.
Chef Mario DeMuro graciously adds to our haul so we can make a local specialty, spaghetti con talline.
So it's a specialty all along the coast.
La specialità, olio,
Start with the oil.
peperoncino.
See?
Senti il profumo.
Smells like Italy.
Semolo
Parsley.
nell'olio.
So the talline.
Stelline. Subito un po' di...
And of course, white wine. They're beautiful, a beautiful red.
Bellissimo.
Sì.
Vedete, con le mani,
So you put the pasta right in, and we mix it up.
mix. Gira tu.
Sì.
Vedi, devi girare.
Enzo!
Enzo, guarda che profumo. Spettacolare. Allora, prego.
Prima per me.
Sì.
Sì.
Ecco, brava, ecco qui.
Madonna.
Come sentimentale, cara.
I'm with some two really good men. One who knows how to get the seafood and one who knows how to cook it. I'm a very lucky lady.